Hi guys, this is Mark, and here I'm going to do another unboxing for my second ZIPPO lighter. I got it from Xcraft. It's a shop located on the level 3 of Jurong Point. So without further ado, let me proceed with the unboxing. So you get the standard black ZIPPO box, and let's take a look. Okay, I got it for $74. The model is actually is 28800. It's the Z leather stitching design. So upon opening, you get to see your lighter with the cardboard made in USA and the ZIPPO logo at the bottom. As usual, the standard genuine ZIPPO windproof lighter sort of brochure and like a warranty. So let's put that aside. This lighter is actually polished chrome finishing, so it's very beautiful on the back, but of course probably prone to scratches as well. So I saw this design and I decided that I really want to have it. Why? Because my Chinese name starts with Z, so it's a Z within a flame. So I guess it's something that signifies like the passion or the flame in me and the energy. So never to give up. So since this is a windproof lighter, the flame is not supposed to go off that easily. So taking a look at the bottom, you will see the letters and the number. Okay, let's see. Okay, you will see a F. F will mean the June, and 14 is 2014. So it's made in June 2014. So this particular lighter is pretty old. Considering it's already now November 2016. So let's take a look at the insert. Okay, the insert is G14, so it's made in July 2014. So I did fill it with some lighter fluid earlier to test it, but I think it has already dried up already, so you can't really see the flame here. But as usual, the distinctive flick or the clink sound of a ZIPPO lighter. Let's put it near the mic. Yep, so that's it for my second ZIPPO lighter, the model 28800, the Z leather stitching design. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.